In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a new email in Hotmail. Now, if you're familiar with email but new to using Hotmail, also known as Outlook, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently send your emails with ease. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page. This is where you'll enter your login credentials. If you haven't already signed up for an account, you'll need to create one to continue. But assuming you have an account, go ahead and click on the sign in button. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to the Outlook homepage, which is essentially your hub for all things email. Once you're on the homepage, take a look around. You'll see a variety of options and features, but for today, we're focusing on writing a new email. Look for the New Mail button, usually located prominently at the top or side of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a new draft where you can begin composing your message. Now, one of the first things you'll need to do is add a recipient. This is the email address of the person you're sending your email to. Make sure to type the correct email address in the to field to ensure it gets to the right person. If you want to send the email to more than one person, you can add additional email addresses by separating them with commas. Remember, attention to detail here prevents future email misdeliveries. Next up is the subject line. Just type in a brief summary or headline that captures the essence of your email. A clear and concise subject line helps both you and your recipient to identify the purpose of the email quickly, and then comes the main body of the email. This is where you'll type your message. Feel free to write as much or as little as you'd like. You can also make use of formatting options such as bold, italics, or bullet points if you need to emphasize certain points or enhance readability. Once you're satisfied with what's written, it's time to send your email. Look for the send button, usually located at the bottom of the email draft window. Before you click it, double check everything, particularly the recipient's email address and the subject line, to make sure there are no errors. So, there you have it. You've successfully written and prepared an email for sending in Hotmail. With this guide, composing emails should now be a straightforward task. Whether you're communicating for personal or professional reasons, remember that clear communication is key. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.